Hey everyone, this is our Freecom X line, the Freecom 2X and the Freecom 4X, the world's best Bluetooth communication systems from Cardo. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to get pretty deep into these, so have a seat, kick your feet up, and we'll show you everything you need to know about. We'll start with a quick unboxing of the Freecom 2X and 4X. The models come as either a single or as a dual kit. A single meaning it'll outfit one helmet, whereas the dual kits have enough inside there to outfit two helmets completely. In front of me, I've got singles, so let's crack it open, see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find a tray holding either one or two units, and in removing that tray, you'll see the documentation. First, here's the pocket guide. It's picture-oriented, it's extremely helpful, available in multiple languages, and very easy to read. Of course, if you have the Freecom 2X, you'll have the appropriate literature that comes with that one for the pocket guide. An installation guide, which is also picture-oriented, has a couple QRs. The one on the back is for the Cardo Connect app. You've also got one that links you to the installation video. A flyer with instructions on how to update the software on your unit. Warranty information, a RAID card, and also a little sticker to go with it will be found there as well. Now you're left with this little box. In a single, you've got one box. On a dual kit, you would have two boxes here. Let's pull this out and see what else we've got. First, you'll find the cradle for mounting it on the helmet. You've also got a set of the 40mm Sound by JBL speakers. Two microphone options, the first being the hybrid boom microphone for open face 3/4 helmets. The second being a wired button microphone style for full face applications. Two speaker booster pads, which can be really helpful in getting the speakers in the ideal location inside of a helmet. You've got two rectangular pieces of Velcro for use when installing the microphones, and also two adhesively backed circular Velcros for use with the speakers. An adhesive mount that might be needed for certain types of helmet installations. Two alcohol prep pads, and of course, USB cable. And again, if you bought the dual kit, you would have two of everything on the table here. Let's now see how to install all of this into your helmet. For reference, you can always go back to the installation guide that comes inside the box. And further than that, we have an installation-specific video that you can easily find by scanning the QR code in that installation guide. Hope you found it informative. See you next time.